join me on the A14. Driving up to Silverstone today. It's Monday. Got a bit of a surprise message, a good surprise message on Friday night from James at Monster Energy, and he said, do you want to come down and have a passenger ride with Peter Solberg in a rallycross car, in his new Volkswagen rallycross car? Yes, I do! That sounds insane! What an opportunity! What an experience this is going to be! Then I quickly remembered how much of a horrible passenger I can be. So I said I'd come down, I said I'd film it. I'm making my way to Silverstone now, and I'm really looking forward to this. And the weather is beautiful today. I haven't even brought a coat with me. Maybe I'm being a bit risky there, but I'm in a jumper. Should be alright. Making my way down to Silverstone now, see Monster Energy, really looking forward to it. It's going to be amazing. I'm so scared already, but I think it'll be worth a laugh. And we get to see what else is going on. It's all about the World Rallycross Championships, and they've got some pretty wild cars. Should be pretty cool to see. I've made it to Silverstone. Drive was really easy, but I got stuck in loads of traffic. I've managed to find where I'm meant to be. This place is massive. I think I've only been here for one show before, and that was years ago. It just so happens that I was in old Supercars of London driving around on the track. I didn't even realise he was here today. But I'm here to meet James from Monster, and this is what he drives. You might have just seen this on the Car Throttle channel actually. But yeah, that's his Battle Wagon Subaru. Pretty gnarly looking car. Look at that. That is a truck. Yeah. Right, we are just leaving this insane truck, and my company for today is James here from Monster Energy. I'll leave your Instagram there, and then Nick Hamilton. How cool is that? So it's going to be a super rad day. What are you bailing for?
I'm bailing, man. I'm bailing.
It's going to be a super rad day. We're going to go look at some of these wild cars that are in here, and then they're sticking us in one. Oh my goodness me.
So these are all-wheel drive, 300 horsepower. This is kind of entry level.
So here we are. This is the car that we're going in, and I've just been told they go 0 to 60 quicker than an F1 car. Did you say? That is terrifying. I'm going to poo my pants. This is going to be so terrifying. I'm excited though. Like, it's good, exciting, scared sort of thing. But yeah. We're heading trackside now because we just got to see, I didn't want to film it because I didn't know how secret it was because it was in a big black box, but it was like this super carbon McGann thing and it looked mental. But we're gonna go watch the cars hoon, and I just can't wait to hear the noises more than anything. It's just so savage. Are you excited or nervous or what?
Super excited, not nervous at all.
I'm terrified.
Why? We're in with Etta, man.
I know.
He's the boy.
That's the one
And
saving
the thing
grace.
is, if we die, he dies too. So it's not a problem.
Just how I get someone to upload the video on my channel. They'll get so many views if I die. That'll be so good. Nick, good luck.
Cheers, mate. You don't want it to come out.
Oh, you've been out already?
Yep.
Nice one. Alright, the camera's just there. Okay. my god, so James made this all possible for me today with Monster Energy. That was, I'm shaking, like that was insane. Oh, I hope my GoPro looked good because I felt my head bang on the seat. But oh god. So the driver I went out with was Johan Kristoffersen, and he is the current champion. He's the man. And he is sick. That was good. I'm sorry, that was so much fun. Oh man. So we can get an RX. When I win the lottery, mate, I can barely afford to run a dirty old Sylvia. Boys, how did you find your go? Good?
Mate, I was speechless. I've done a lot of passenger rides, but I didn't really know what to say when I got out that one. It was mental. The first time I was like going down the straight.
It is fast! First acceleration, because he like creeps forward and then all of a sudden plants his foot down. You're like, oh, I loved it. I loved it. It's so addictive. Like these silly motorsports, they're silly, aren't they? They're ridiculous.
Huh? You've been in before?
Yeah. It's insane. I've been in with Liam, and that was nuts. And then the first time Andreas Backerud went in a supercar, I went in with him, and we're like hacking down Linden Hill, and he's like, "I've never driven so fast in my life." And I'm like, "Oh shit."
When are we going to see you competing then? Come on.
This guy, he wants to have his way, so maybe soon.
Yeah, come on, when's the date? When are you coming in?
So Alan actually sponsors this team, and I am one of Alan's sponsored YouTube guys, I guess. So really rad to see AM Details in the lorry. Now I'm gonna have some food. What a wild experience today it's been. I mean, this is so off the cuff, like, what an amazing day. I've had such a good time, and I really hope you liked the video. It's so exciting. I wasn't even scared. It was good. It was really good. So that was the car we were in. Insane. Oh my god, I'm gonna miss it. That was what an experience. Insane. Thank you, Monster Energy, for sorting that out. Oh man, before I bounce off, oh my god, I've parked in the worst place to do this. So before I bounce off, I just wanted to just say, like I feel so grateful for today. Like, oh man, it was such a good experience, and I know I'm only a small YouTuber, but like, it makes you feel so good. Like, I drink Monster anyway. You know, I always get people like saying like, oh, I don't know if is YouTube really worth it, you know, blah blah blah. But yeah, like if I get to do amazing stuff like this and meet insanely cool people, like, and hang out with Nick Hamilton today, man, that's nuts. Like, he's gone off to drive some Jag F-Type, which sounded insane. But yeah, I'm gonna bounce because I've got to go get Finn. He's been a bit of a pain in the ass from what I understand, but he's a good boy. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I really want to bring you more cool stuff like this without like the force sale. I didn't realise this was going to happen. I'm back with Monster tomorrow night. I don't know if I'm going to make a video of it yet. We're going to see if anything happens during the day. But I'm going to some like movie premiere for their grid stuff, I think, so it should be sick. And yeah, I'm just so stoked on today, man. Like, insane. If you guys could like hit the thumbs up button and give it a like. If you haven't, like, if you can, just send it to a friend and be like, hey, check this idiot out and look at the stuff he's getting up to. That would be amazing to help the channel grow. And I'll see you guys again very soon. Thank you very much, dudes. Peace.